Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we'll be talking about one of my most favorite apps, which is Book Like a Boss. It's a bit mouthful name, but they are really nice. So what we can expect from it, we will learn about in this video. I will show you how you can set up your account and how to work in it to make yourself at home with your scheduling, with your bookings, and basically everything, so you don't miss anything from now on. So what is Book Like a Boss? Book Like a Boss is an all-in-one online appointment scheduling software that enables its users to save time on responding to emails and organizing meetings. The software requires its users to send a link in their BLab page for the prospects in order to get paid. Users can automatically import all their calendar entries and submit the booking directly back to the calendar through the software. One can select the timelines that apply to each service offering or appointment, and also connect as many external ones as one may require. The software allows its users to make unlimited bookings and also list as many services or meetings as they want. Book Like a Boss is available in various languages such as French, English, German, Dutch, and Spanish, and is designed to load quickly and without compromising the look on smartphones. It's also GDPR compliant, that assures the safety of data of the customers. The software also allows internal messaging between the user and their customers. It's meant to be for small, medium, and large businesses as well, and they are providing very nice support or business support during their hours. So in pricing, we'll get that in a minute, but first you can start your trial completely for free. Then we have espresso, mocha, cappuccino, and latte bundles that we can go with. Obviously, latte is the most expensive one, then cappuccino, mocha, and espresso being the cheapest one. If you're billed yearly, then monthly it's a bit rounded. So let's start with free trial. If you're a solopreneur or company, you can just start with Book Me and then your URL. So in my way, it's, for example, Matt King. First name, let's go in Matthew King, email is like this, and let's make up a password, create my account. No, I don't want to. Select the industry. So you can see there's tons of industries to actually pick from. Let's go with graphic design out of the blue. Next, time zone, Slovakia, so is GMT +1, Sunday, no, Monday, and this is very cool, because right from the start, you are setting your work hours. And that's what I haven't come along. For example, in 10 to 8 or VisiBook or Simply Book Me, you have to go into settings and then basically do it back there. But right now, we are changing it from 8 to 4. 8 to 4. Okay, let's go like this. And let's go like this. Okay, okay, this one's too much. Tuesday, let's go with the scheduled, like this, and like this. Okay, we go with next, and now you can connect your calendar if it's available for you, but we can skip it. Booyah, you are officially a boss. We set up your first appointment, 30-minute meeting, description: book me for 30 minutes, one-on-one meeting, duration 30 minutes. We can copy and share the appointments link, and as you can see, we can copy paste it, and here you have it. First, book me .name/MadKing 30-minute meeting, and that is how it's going to look when you send your basically your link or your, let's call it, web booking to your customer. So the customer can book basically the 9 a.m. and go with full name, email address. Let's go with Jess C. Let's go with a different email address. And go with book me. Your booking has been placed. Like that. And you see that 900 or 9 flat is not available for booking anymore. But let's go with dashboard. So we go back and we see a lot of things. If you're looking for something not that, let's say, busy, I strongly recommend going with the VisiBook, where you have a couple of very easy to read features, where basically you are just booking the times and you don't have any other options, and it looks way cleaner. So that's your dashboard. You can view your page. At the moment, it's just the 30-minute meeting. They pre-made it for us. Then we have calendar, where you can manage your calendar and basically add the one from like Office 365 or something in it. And straight away you see the 27th of January being tomorrow at 9 a.m. we have just C 30-minute meeting. Very nice. Booking schedule. Here you can basically change your hours as we started by as we did when we started to set up our account. Sorry. And then the messages. Right now it's clear, but when you run things up, it won't be. Booking pages, you can go with appointments. And this is where you are going to book the appointment that, or you can create the appointment. Let's create one. For example, title. Let's go with tutorial about tutorials. Duration 1 hour and 0 minutes. Padding. Let's go 1 hour. Interval every 15 minutes, every 20, yada yada yada. Max participants, let's go 20. Amount of bookings per day, 20. Cut off days, let's go with 0. 0 hours and 0 minutes. And then you can basically go with type something very useful, please book. And right now you can go with redirect URL and success message and save changes. Yeah, we have to connect the calendar, or it's very well advised to add one. Here is a light URL or full URL that you can copy. Then there are details, cover media. You can go with an image, text, color and fonts, testimonials. it's all affecting your URL that you are going to have. And as you can see, we already created tutorials, and we can change it anytime you want. Then product and services, events, and pages. I'm not saying that you won't be using those, but appointments are the easiest way how to basically work in book-like boss. Page settings, you have obviously profile detail, you have a different amount of skins, modern or light. And all this you have to basically spend some time in Book With Me to be ready to go through other things. And then, yeah, other things like integrations. We're really strong with integrations. I believe it's through Zapier because they are using Zaps as integrations. Yes, through Zapier. I really feel like MailChimp or Meet is the best options. Also Zoom, obviously. Then payment settings, where you can just connect your wallets to Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Then coupons, if you have some discount coupons, but that's not that of an issue. Well, guys, if you have more questions about the video or about Book Like a Boss, please leave a like and subscribe. But also, if you have the questions, leave them underneath the video and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.